I used to keep using my phone like that one.
And like, what size is the lens?
This is a 19.
Okay.
Yeah, you can also do this.
You can. You can. Actually, one of the reasons that you do that, like why do you do that? It's in order to cut out the light from other areas so that I can focus on the right thing.
Yeah, so it's gonna work. You know, Papa used to do this.
Can you still see it?
Yeah.
Still see it?
It's a little down.
Is it? I see that. Why is that?
Because the moon.
Because the moon is moving in relation to the Earth, right? It is moving. Now we're moving, and the moon's moving, and we're like going around the sun, right?
You will need to adjust it separately.
You got it. You're doing good. I'm not doing good. Do you need some water?
Yes, that's hers.
Yeah, make sure you get that because I
It's mine.
I got it.
You'll find, you know, if she's really interested, she seems interested. We got 5 days. Better than that. When you buy something like this, hardware and software, hardware is one of the so they come out with a new one. This one came out after that. But this one now is unbelievably easy. And to do things from your back row. So you don't have to
Sure, everybody got to see some of them. Did you get them? What, did we lose it? Oh no. It must be gone.
No, I don't know.
Are you sure? Alright, well I think
program last night. We did
wait for Alex to get back to figure this one out. Alex, he's
part of this program. Email for anybody in the world that 500 people.
Alex is fixing it. He's getting it. I'm sorry, Alex, you were sitting right there in front of me.
I can't see it.
You'll find
I can't see it.
and lasers. Because most people bought.
That's cool.
I taught that up to around 1986. But it really is hard.
The moon's no longer visible at that one. It's current. It's